Beginner's Guide to Mobile-Friendly Web Design. With the invention of smartphones and the advances in 3G, 4G and now 5G connectivity came the inevitable rise in people using their mobile devices to browse the internet. But there has always been a lag in websites catering for mobile viewers. There's an obvious investment required in mobile-friendly web design to ensure a website works well on a smaller device, so that's always going to be a barrier, especially for smaller businesses. However, many larger businesses still lag behind in creating a seamless mobile experience. Having a mobile-friendly website isn't just a nice to have. It's critical to ensure our site is easy to use and provides easy access to the information our users are looking for. Giving our users a bad experience on any device is likely to lead to higher bounce rates and lower conversion rates. So improving your website's usability on mobiles can only be a good thing and a sound investment. In this article, we'll look at what makes a website mobile friendly and what you can do to ensure your mobile visitors are well catered for. Optimize your images for mobile viewers. Uploading your images at full size and resolution is going to cause your website to load slower. It will put more load on your server, as well as requiring more data for mobile users to download and see the images. Not everyone will be on Wi-Fi. If your users have patchy data coverage and connectivity issues, downloading huge images is going to cause frustration and could lead to them leaving and going to your competitors' sites instead. The solution? Resize and compress your images before uploading them to your website. If your image will show at 600 pixels wide on your website, there's no need to upload an image at 4000 pixels wide. So resize the image to 600 pixels wide and, where possible, reduce the file size by compressing the image. This can lead to a loss of sharpness and quality in the image, so you'll need to find a balance between the smallest file size and the best quality. We'd recommend using software such as Photoshop to do this, as it gives you more control over the final image. Create space around buttons and links. We've talked a lot about CTAs, or calls to action, and how important they are in improving your conversion rates on your website. If your buttons or links are difficult to click, think fat fingers on a mobile device, you're placing a barrier between your customer and their mission of buying from you. Don't do it. Make sure your links are easy to click on and don't shrink down when viewed on a mobile screen. Avoid putting links and buttons close together, where there's a risk of people clicking on the wrong link, causing confusion and frustration. Check your forms. A form on your website is usually something you want users to fill in, whether it's an inquiry form, a request a callback form, or the new customer registration form and payment details on your e-commerce website. Making forms difficult to use is probably one of the most costly mistakes you can make with your website. The usability of online forms is a topic of another article, as there's so much to consider, but on mobile devices it's vital to make sure that form fields fit on a small screen. Form labels are still visible and lined up as you would expect, and that the submit button is large enough and positioned logically to make form filling on a mobile a doddle. Avoid massive pop-ups. Cookie banners, privacy notices, newsletter opt-in pop-ups, they're everywhere. Some of them are simply huge and fill the entire screen on a desktop computer, let alone on a mobile screen. The problem with these pop-ups is they're often difficult for mobile users to close or even locate the Accept Cookies button as it's off screen. If you have any pop-ups on your website, make sure they're easy for your small screen friends to close. Test it yourself. Sure, you can use Google's mobile friendly test to give you an idea as to whether your website is mobile friendly. However, these tools have their limitations and don't really see your website as users do. There's really no substitute for manually testing your site yourself. Load up every page, click on the links, fill in your forms. Is there content disappearing off the side of the screen? Are there images that take forever to load? Are your forms easy to complete? Did you accidentally click on the wrong link? Were you able to successfully add a product to the shopping cart and check out if your site has that functionality. Ignoring mobile users is like leaving money on the table. Mobile-friendly web design doesn't need to be rocket science or cost the earth. Just by making a few tweaks to cater for your small screen viewers, you're improving the usability of your website, improving engagement, and ultimately increasing the likelihood of generating more sales and leads. Hope you found this video useful. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. Visit our blog for more content, sign up to our list and get that content delivered direct to your inbox. Don't forget to check out the Skittish Academy for more training on how to use digital marketing to generate leads for your business. Until next time, keep marketing.